Yeah, I'm in the driveway. Neighbors see me hosing down the whip. I got suds on the rims and I got sud on my fit. Yeah, it's Friday, and the bank account got plenty. Premium for the tank. How you riding around on empty? I ain't at Sitgo. I'm at the local corner store. My Arab homie passing games. I keep them coming back.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got an exciting video. My best friend Party Mike is finally going to go pick up a car. The coolest part about this is that he is actually buying this car off of the money that we made on our album that we dropped this summer called Sunrise. It did really good. It's getting us paid. Party Mike is now buying a car with the money. We are headed to Knoxville, Tennessee, and he has got the cash ready. If this car is as clean as it looks in the pictures, definitely buying. And I can't wait, because anything that he wants to do to the car to maybe update it or fix it or make something better, I can help him with that. I can help him get the sponsorships. We can do it all on my channel. So that means more content for you guys. We've been looking for a car for a while, like a good while. So this is gonna be a new step.
Truest, they left P wide open. Seen the shot and I had a
Bro, what kind of dilemma have you gotten us into today?
Bro, the bank closes the day after Thanksgiving.
Lazy. Tell the chat what's going on, man.
Man, so I got the money in the bank, right? Finally, somebody hits me back. The bank is closed, man. I can't go get the cash out. And I told this dude, yeah, I'll have the cash to you.
What you want from me? Some games, some money. Yeah. Move along. Ain't nothing here to see. I'm locked in. Been investing in me. Use a fob when I crank. Don't need a key. Take a trip to the coast. CP on the beach. Cause the money got made. I've been saving up. Money get.
We figured out how to get the money out, and we don't have to stop at a cash point, so we don't have to go back to North Carolina right now.
Oh my gosh, I feel like Ashley Schaefer. Woo, woo, woo. All right, so we've been stressing. I didn't know my bank was closed on Black Friday. I knew for sure Thanksgiving, duh, but Black Friday, you gonna be closed too?
Come on now.
So I pulled up to the bank, going to get my money out to go try to look at this BMW in hopes to drive it away, you know? Pull up to the bank, closed. We're gonna roll the dice and just drive to two and a half hours away to Knoxville from Asheville. Finally, the bank called me back. They upped the daily spending limit, and we're gonna pull up to an ATM, try not to get robbed.
Yeah, dude, I got my glick.
Come on. Hey, come on, man. This whole trip is banking on this moment, right?
It really is, bro. We're here. I got a shit. I wasn't gonna take one in Buc-ee's.
Watching my back.
Yeah, dude. I got the glick right now. We gotta do this 14 times.
It's crazy work, bro.
All right, guys, so congratulations to my brother and my best friend on his Melbourne Red F30 328i, lowered on Apexes already, brand new Apexes. This spec is crazy, right? It needs work, and that's what we're gonna do. Like the interior, as you can expect for a 2016, needs some work, but how often do you see a 2016 with the freaking Icon headlights? Like, look at those freaking DRLs, man. Melbourne Red is good too.
We've been talking about this moment right here. I feel like a child. I feel like a little kid, man. I'm so damn happy. We're gonna do our thing with this. We're gonna put in some work on this thing.
First thing it needs, bro, it needs window tint. It needs a black roof wrap. We gotta do the M Sport bumper conversion.
I gotta get a license plate and hope I don't get pulled on the way back to North Carolina, so stay tuned.
Bro, look at these wheels, man. This is a sweet car. If anyone that's watching who wants to help sponsor this build and get us some modifications, please don't be afraid to hit my email. I mean, we've got some sponsors, but I know that this avenue of F30s have been done a lot on YouTube, right? So I know that not everyone's looking to sponsor an F30. After you get a BMW, you'll want an M car next. That's how it works.
Yeah.
You get the non-M, then you want an M.
Step-by-step program.
And then after you have an M for a while, then you buy a Porsche, and it's like...
Hey, look right across the street. We're gonna be back. We're gonna be back.
All off the music,
we
dog.
put our heart and soul and just did what we loved and made something so cool, and the world loved it. And it's not the newest car, but damn.
Doesn't he know that BMW owners don't use turn signals, bro? Melbourne red, bro. How cool is that, P? 93, bro. Not 93. They're gonna block your transaction to the fucking.
Got cash. 93 when I'm pumping.
We made it home.
Let me stretch right quick for that
Yo,
2.5 hour drive.
I forgot to mention this, but shine your light on the wheels. There's something I noticed about this car that kind of blew my mind. I couldn't believe it. It's got drilled and slotted rotors on here.
Come on now.
Come on, dude. I bet the stopping on this thing is great. We got blue and we got red. Shit, we look like that Happy Dad logo right there.
Come on, man.
Drink Happy Dad.
Look at these things together, bro. Like, just seeing them side by side, like, that's our whole shit right there.
All right, everybody, it's the next day. It's so cold outside. What is going on? Mike's coming over. He's bringing the F30, and we're going to try to fix that grinding noise that comes from the, it sounds like it's coming right from the center console, but what it is, it's actually an e-brake cable retainer clip that kind of cracks because it's plastic, and then it lowers the e-brake cable just a touch where it rubs on the drive shaft. So you get this terrible noise while you're driving, and it's god awful. We're gonna do a quick fix, but I've already ordered the part to actually fix it. It's a little bit of a pain to get to. You gotta lower the exhaust, take off heat shield, lower the gas tank, all kinds of crazy shit that I don't want to do, but it is what it is. So we're gonna try to at least get it at bay for him so he doesn't have to listen to that while he's driving around for the next few days.
What's up, Chad?
Gotta do a little bit of work.
Something slight, nothing too crazy.
As we fix the car, we don't have that terrible grinding sound anymore. Temporary fix, but we got it. Hit a little rev for us, P.
You hearing the intake?
A little bit.
A little bit. Not like when we're going.
Not like whenever it's under load, for sure.
A little pop. I'm invested now. I love it.
He's gonna have the bug. We gotta give this thing a complete, total interior, exterior
It's
bath.
gotta be clean. We ain't even touched like the outside, inside, nothing yet. It's gotta be clean real good.
Needs a paint correction really bad. We'll do that. And now you can drive it in peace without that fucking sound.
I ain't gotta turn the music up too high to where I drown that shit out.
It was a e-brake cable retainer clip that breaks. It's a little plastic clip, and then the e-brake cable just lowers a little bit and it touches the drive shaft while it's spinning, and it makes a terrible sound inside the cabin. So what we did is we just, instead of, we don't have the clip yet, we just secured it up to where it's supposed to be and zip tied it, and we're good for now.
F30P, baby. F30P.
I like the Apexes. They look good on this car.
They're slick, bro. They bring it to life.
The best part about this car is that it has OEM icons and it's got Apexes.
She needs some TLC, but we're gonna give it to her.
We didn't want to get something that didn't need any work.
Right. I wanna put some work in on something. That's where you fall in love with it all. All right, dog.
Peace out. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Congratulations to my friend Mike. I love you, brother. I know you wanted a Beamer. I think since we've been friends, you've started to realize how cool BMWs actually are, and you wanted one, and I think you got the perfect one to start out with. It needs some things to be addressed, like all BMWs do whenever you first buy them, but guess what? That's what we're gonna do. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, or you just like hanging out with us, please drop a comment, like, sub, maybe even go buy some merch. I love you guys. Peace.
Getting counted with my honey. They got puppy dog guys like, what you want from me? What you want from me? Some game or some money? Yeah. What you want from me? Move along. Ain't nothing here to see.